This is the most successful product in Shark Tank history. It all started when Allison and Stephen Ellsworth walked into the Shark Tank asking for $400,000 in exchange for 10% ownership of their healthy soda business, Mother Beverage. That means they believed their product was worth $4 million. Their drink was special. It was made with apple cider vinegar, fruit, herbs, and just a little sugar. It tasted way better than plain vinegar and had only 2 to 4 grams of sugar per bottle. Stephen and Allison said they started the company because Allison had health problems and began drinking apple cider vinegar to detox and lose weight. But the taste was too strong. So she made a better tasting version at home and the business was born. Before the show, they had already made $500,000 in sales, doing all the bottling themselves. They even built a small factory with $125,000 from their savings and help from friends. They could make 60,000 bottles a month and were upgrading to make 200,000. The Sharks were shocked at first when they tasted a straight shot of vinegar, but then loved the actual product. However, some like Kevin O'Leary, Laurie Griner, and Mark Cuban said no. They thought the business wasn't worth the price. But one shark, Rohan Oza, who knows a lot about drinks, made an offer. He gave them the full $400,000, but wanted 25% ownership instead of 10%. That dropped the company value to $1.6 million, but the Ellsworths said yes. They gave up a bigger share of the company, but gained a smart business partner. After Shark Tank, the sales exploded. The website sold out fast, but there was a problem. They couldn't legally use the name Mother, so they changed it to Poppi and started using bright cans instead of bottles. By 2023, Poppi was in over 30,000 stores, like Target, Costco, and Whole Foods. They also used TikTok to grow fast. One fun video made Poppi $100,000 in sales in one day. In 2024, Poppi made $50 million in sales. Then, in March 2025, something huge happened. PepsiCo bought Poppi for $1.95 billion. That's right. Pepsi, the soda giant, wanted a piece of the healthy soda market. So they purchased Poppi, making it part of their massive product lineup. From a small kitchen idea to a major sale, Allison and Stephen's smart business moves and healthy vision paid off. They turned vinegar into a sweet success story and made history on Shark Tank. Now Poppi is still growing under PepsiCo, and you can buy it in stores or online.